sit there and try and get those last minute, shopping.
Last minute shopping gifts, because nobody wants to get last minute shopping gifts.
No,
Hey guys,
they don't want to stress about it.
don't want to stress, no, right? No one wants to be in line waiting to get a last minute shopping gift. Hey y'all, this is Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located in Acworth, Georgia. Second location in Woodstock, Georgia. Woodstock is right around the corner. Just letting everyone know that Cyber Monday was awesome. We got some great customers with some great deals, and we're trying to prepare you guys because that Christmas is coming up. Yes.
Isn't our second location in Kennesaw?
Our second location is Kennesaw, but our third location will be in Woodstock. Thank you, Kat, for correcting me, because that's always perfect when you have someone that corrects you. So we are so excited that you guys are here tuning in to Computers Plus. We got some really great things going on. If you guys get a chance, take a look at our website. It's computersplususa.com. Check out our rent-to-own program. We make it very easy and simple. Whether you're in Georgia or in California, it doesn't matter. We can get you that device that you need to make your life easy, because we are all promoting tech for less. Hey, if you can get tech for less, get the job done, save yourself some money. That's the goal. That's our goal here at Computers Plus, to get you what you need to get going. Now, if you want more information on our rent-to-own, like I said, check out our website at computersplususa.com. Click that purchase